What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I just came across these super cute barrettes and it says they're from the Sparkle Shop, ages 12 and up. We have these super cute stars and then we have flowers. My store still has the Total Hydration lip scrubs. We also have icebreakers and Palmer's lip balms. This is probably going to be my last video that I film in this location. I've been in here already for, I don't know, probably like an hour or two, just looking around, shopping. I went live in here. This location always has tons of Bolero items, a lot of the under eye creams, the hyaluronic acids, the facial hydrators, the facial wipes. We have the gels up there and the sprays. There's just a lot of good items here in this store. A whole end cap of hydrogen peroxide and alcohol. Those are the 100 to a bottle version of basically Tylenol extra strength. 100 to a bottle is really good. I just wanted to see if we had any other lip balms in here. These are cute little nail stickers. We have JoJo lip balm. We also have the JoJo full-size cereals this week, family size. We have LOL, we have My Little Pony, Paw Patrol, Turtles, Ryan's World. We have lots of cute little lip balms. Like usual, you guys, they are super well stocked. My store has been really well stocked lately. I think these are new. Swedish Fish and Friends. Aww. Those are cute. My store only has 2 bags. If it had 3 bags, I would get them for my kids, but they only have 2 bags. So I guess they're gonna stay here. Tons of Sour Patch, tons of Trolleys. All right, you guys, I wanna take you down a couple more aisles. This location always has tons of really nice name brand books, like not just Dollar Tree books, but really expensive books. Wicked As You Wish. Thirsty, what? I thought it said Thirsty. No, it says 30 Life Crisis. The Ditch, Calamity in Kent, Mermaidens, Spontaneous, Say What You Will. We have Dollar Bill, lots of Barbie, Fisher Price, Hot Wheels, Sesame Street books. We even have Bots. What is this? The Tale of Two Classrooms, a little graphic novel. Arthur Learning to Read books. Le Personal Coach, a French trainer's simple secrets for getting fit and slim without the gym. We have shiny bubble mailers. Cute little Hello Kitty pencils. I love coming down this aisle because, as you guys can see, it is a nice long aisle. Like, this store is really well stocked. We have tons of crossword puzzles and Sudoku. To be honest, I just like coming down this aisle because it smells really good. We have Care Bears, we have workbooks, all sorts of workbooks. Poster board, 2 for $1 or 79 cents each. We have list pads. I think this one is brand new. I'm currently connected to my power bank, so I'm not walking all over. Yep, this one has a magnet on it. We also have Anything Is Possible. We have the Rainbow To-Do List. Sloths Love Llamas, a little coloring book. We have the unicorn and the flamingo tape dispensers. Lots of Elmer's glue. This is a washable color glue. This location doesn't have a whole lot of the glow-in-the-dark glues as the Dollaree location does. You guys know the one I call Dollaree. They have tons of Elmer's glue options. Invisible tape. Before you know it, you guys, here in about, I don't know, 3 weeks or so, we will be seeing back to school supplies. It's coming. This location is just really loaded with notebooks, planners. They have some Pride notebooks since June is Pride Month. Be proud of who you are and love. These are definitely new for the month of June. Oh, this looks so cute. What is this? Weekly planner. Aww. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We have succulents. This is the Crown Jewels brand. This is so cute. And we get 40 sheets. These are definitely new. These are new. This is new. This is new. I really like this one though. Weekly planner. Aw, so cute. I'm gonna have to turn around, you guys, and show you what I just went past. We have the 4-color Bic pens that are new. The little click pens. All right, let's see if we missed anything good over here. We have rainbow paper pads, floral. We have hearts. We have some new magnetic bookmarks. Your soy, amazing. This is a noodles notepad for the noodle lover, for the ramen lover. Yes, you guys. 3,000 staples in a box. Westcott 5-year warranty scissors. We even have some new sharpeners, Buzz Lightyear, Jurassic World. Yeah, you guys, lots of new items down the stationery and book aisle. Paint with waters. I got one of those some months ago. It was kind of fun. I forgot how messy it was though, because I don't know, my little painting didn't turn out very well, but you know, I saw it and got nostalgic and wanted to get one. Butterfly stickers. We'll end down the craft aisle. Maybe we'll see some new items. Well, they have lots of beads and sequins. Lots of wood crafting items. Tons. These beads popped up last week. The wooden beads. We even have, finally, I heard people talking about these on TikTok last year. We finally have the little tie-dye kits, but it's just for one color. It's basically like the powder in the bottle and then like the little probably protective gloves for your hands. But I'm finally seeing them. Every summer I always wanted tie-dye stuff. Whoa, they have tons of the vinyl paper here. Look at all the colors. Metallics, floral, different prints. Wow. This store is just loaded, you guys. It's just loaded. And we have all the stickers, the transfers, the jewel borders. We even have scented stickers. The brand is Momoko. They're little scented jelly bean stickers, and you get 141 in a pack. We also have scented pizza stickers. This is taking me back to the days of being in school when the teacher used to give you the scratch and sniff sticker when you did a good job. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at these little cute unicorns, little cute animals. We also have scratch and sniff. Yes, they're not calling them scratch and sniff, but we have scented bubblegum stickers. And lastly, we're gonna save a really cute one for last. We have cute s'mores scented stickers too. But all right, you guys, that's it for this video. Seriously, this time I'm out of here. I have to go next door to Aldi. I have to go to Aldi and take some time to get my groceries over there before they close. But I'm just having so much fun here in this huge Dollar Tree. I love this location so much. It's definitely the biggest Dollar Tree in my area. So you guys know I had to show you what was in here. I'm seeing more items for Pride as well, you guys. We have the foldable fans that are also brand new. And the items for Pride are kind of just scattered throughout the store, down the stationery aisle, here on an end cap. I feel like this is the first time we're actually seeing Pride items in Dollar Tree. So if that's something that's on your wish list, definitely head into your local Dollar Tree and kind of like look everywhere and see what you guys can find. But all right, you guys, thank you so much for shopping with me here in Dollar Tree. If you guys haven't joined the family yet, please hit that little button and subscribe and join the Bunny Birdie Gator family. But all right, you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.